It happened again. This time, the senior network engineer didn't deliver exactly what you had in mind for the assignment you gave. What is it with your team? Can't anyone complete something correctly? Hmm, wait. If three people have missed the mark on delivering, could it be you? Could it be how you're delegating to them? Could you actually just be dumping stuff on them? Well, grab a cup of coffee and let's chat about how to be a delegator instead of a dumper. I'm Tina Marie Baugh. I have over 25 years of hands-on experience in technology leadership. I aim to provide practical insights so seasoned tech experts turned managers can bridge the gap between their technical prowess and leadership excellence. This is the first of a two-part series on becoming a more effective delegator. Let's start by defining our terms. First is delegation. This is the process of entrusting a task or responsibility to another team member while providing adequate direction and resources. It's purposeful, thoughtful, and ensures that the person receiving the task has the necessary skills, scope, timeline, and understanding. The alternative is dumping. This is the act of offloading a task without proper instruction or consideration of the recipient's capacity or skills. It often comes across as thoughtless and can feel like a burden to the person on the receiving end. They may also feel overwhelmed and confused by the lack of specific instructions and outcome targets. We know from experience the benefits of good delegation. We've felt it in the past. It happened when we had a positive experience with a stretch assignment, one that was beyond our current knowledge and skill level, one that pushed us out of our comfort zone to learn and grow in new areas. When we were given the assignment, even though it pushed us, we felt confident about receiving it. We clearly understood the situation, what was being asked, the deliverables, and the timeline. We knew what to report back and when. We knew about the available resources and who could help. We have also been dumped on. These are the situations we complain about to our friends. We get agitated about the rework and unreasonable, often unwritten expectations. Even though the first effort may have taken 10 times more work than the second, we were confident and fulfilled by the first. We added clear value and learned from the first situation. When we are dumped on, it is a waste of everyone's time. There is a significant increase in stress levels, missed deadlines, and feelings of resentment among team members. But how do you ensure you're delegating effectively and not just dumping? Here are some key pointers. First, know what done looks like. Make it clear and in writing the exact outcome you want. What product do you want to deliver and by when? Think about the person to whom you are giving the assignment, the people on the final receiving end of the product of the assignment, the format, content, length, and any other parameters. Think about the questions you would ask if you were receiving the task. Take the time to be clear with yourself about what is and is not in scope for this effort. What must be done to be successful? Second, match the task with the skills. Delegate to individuals with the required skills or to someone who can benefit from the developmental opportunity. If skills need to be developed, agree together on the plan and timeline. Delegation is often about recognizing potential in your team members and giving them opportunities to shine and grow, even if it means pushing them a bit beyond what they're used to. Third, develop the game plan. Talk, talk, talk. Ensure the person understands what's expected, the desired outcome, and critical milestones. This is best done in person or virtual with video on. If there is an important project to delegate, do not just throw an email at someone. Schedule regular check-ins in advance. Don't leave this to chance or nag them to death. If you want daily updates, schedule 10-minute stand-up meetings every day so they know when and where to update you. Show respect and help them understand why you want the updates at this frequency. Fourth, provide resources. Ensure your team member has the tools, time, and resources necessary. This includes people other than your busy self who may be able to answer questions. Fifth, open communication. Foster a two-way communication channel. Allow them to ask questions and seek clarification. Make sure they know how you like to communicate and how fast they can expect an answer from you. Sixth, feedback and recognition. Provide feedback and recognize their efforts. It is important, especially with stretch assignments, that we recognize accomplishments. Want to dive deeper into this topic? The new 1-Minute Manager by Ken Blanchard and Spencer Johnson provides simple insights into effective delegation in the form of setting 1-minute goals. Remember, the goal is not to offload work, but to empower, develop, and lead your team to success. Delegating effectively may initially feel challenging, but by doing so, you empower your employees to navigate and master their assignments, ensuring you both succeed. This fosters their growth and affords you time to excel in your managerial responsibilities. Stay tuned for next week's video, where we'll dive deep into the art of becoming an effective delegator, ensuring your team thrives and your leadership stands out. If you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe by clicking the TLD logo and check out our other learning videos. And as always, let's keep learning and growing together. See you next time.